Section 5, number 3, you're going to solve each inequality and graph its solution. So for A, we have negative 2x is less than 18. So this is attached via multiplication here. So let's just divide by negative 2 to both sides. This cancels, leaving you with just an x. But when we divide by this negative 2, the inequality flips because again, we're dividing by that negative 2. 18 divided by negative 2, it is negative 9. So when we draw the number line here, all the numbers that we need is just 0 and the number itself, which is negative 9. This is open, and notice x is greater than negative 9, so it goes all the way to the right, and you see how the arrow matches the arrow of the inequality. Okay, so it's all these values to the right of it. Okay, I try to make the arrows as straight as possible. All right, for this one, it is better if we see this negative, let's say, I'm going to put it on the bottom here, okay? So I'm going to multiply both sides by negative 5, multiply both sides by negative 5. This cancels, leaving you with just an x. This inequality flips because you're multiplying by a negative number, and this becomes negative 20, okay? When we draw the bar, all we need, it is the value of 0 and negative 20. And here, x, it is less than negative 20, and it's closed. Why is it closed? Because of the bar right here, okay? And we just follow the arrow sign all the way less than. So these are all the values of x that are less than negative 20, okay? C. There is this negative 5 in front, so now we're going to divide by negative 5 to both sides. Negative 10 divided by negative 5, which is a positive 2. We flip the inequalities because you divide by negative number, this gets you x. Okay, we don't like it this way. We can write it with the x in front, so x, flip all the inequalities again, is greater than 2. Now we can graph it. Okay, here's 0, here's 2. This is closed because of the bar here, and x is greater than 2, so it's all the values to the right of it. Okay, so there you go. Right? So that is how you solve each inequality and graph it. Notice in all these problems, we either divide or multiply by a negative value, and in that process, you have to flip the inequality.